Hello friend, today we will show you how to clean dirt from leather earpad cushions and headband. Today's patient is a Sony MDR XB950 Bluetooth headset. But of course this guide can be used for any leather earpads. After a few years of use, the headphones look like this. Dirty and even smell bad. If the headphones are used for gaming or while doing sports, when there's a lot of sweat, then this can happen very quickly as the old skin and sweat and earwax settles on the earpads and hardens. And then the result is something like this. You don't need much to do this job, just a lightly damp cleaning cloth and the guts to do it. Not everyone can do something so disgusting. Use the cloth to dampen the dirt and slowly scrub them off. This might be easier if you take the earpad off, but I must warn you that it will be much harder to put it back on. Put your fingers behind the earpad and pull it off. Cleaning will definitely be much easier this way. Moisturize and wipe off all this gunk. But this can be a problem if your headphones are old. The leather earpad coating may come off together with this dirt and earpads will be gone. You will have to order new ones. In my case, the headphones are not that old and earpads don't go out when cleaning them. After a couple of cleaning rounds, it already looks better. While the earpads dry, let's have a look at the headband, which is on the same level. Here cleaning is the same, with a damp cloth scrubbing off the dirt. You can also try wiping them off with your fingers, as I find the cloth too soft. My rough soldering fingers rub them off very nicely. But be careful not to damage the headband leather fabric or synthetic leather. There are different names for fabric. Once you achieve the desired result in cleaning the headband, you will still need to clean the earpads, because as you can see, when they dry you can see more dirt. Just keep scrubbing until you achieve the desired result. And then when the earpads look as they should, then you just put them back on. To put the earpad back on, you have to insert the edge of the earpad into the slot of the headphone housing. This won't be easy. It won't be easy, but with a little bit of patience you'll get hang of it. The main thing is that when you put a section of the edge into the earpiece, you hold it with your hands so it doesn't pop out. Repeat this until you've got it all the way in. Then you can twist the earpad itself to get it into place. That's it. Now you just have to clean the other earpad if it's dirty, and it will be like new. Looks very nice, and most importantly we have restored the super extra bass headphones. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write them in the comments. Of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you're also interested in headphone repairs and headphone modification videos. Thanks and see ya!